Hello, fellow traders. So welcome again to this is Forex Analysis. I am still your boy HB 200FX, General Forex trader who has joined a mission anytime, any pays before me. And that is to decomplexify the complicated. I've come to share my ideas concerning this pair, CAD JPY. CAD JPY. I am looking either to buy or to sell, but I will tell you the scenarios that will happen before I can buy or sell this pair. So as a trader, if you have been following me, you will know that before I buy or sell any pair, what is called the four W's, all to be sorted out. And these four W's are the four questions that are meant to be answered before I can buy or sell. What are the four W's? They are number one. Why is it that I am looking either to buy or sell this pair? What is the substantial evidence of buying or selling this pair? Where will I buy or rather, where will I sell this pair? And last but not the least is when to buy or when to sell this pair. Fellow traders, as you journey with me to the monthly time frame, you will understand the rationales behind my preparation to join either the bulls or the bears in this price motivity. So from the monthly time frame now, we can clearly see the structure. But first of all, I will show you the word. I will show you the trend. You understand? This is an uptrend. So this is an uptrend. So this is one of the reasons why we need to buy this pair because it is an uptrend. But first of all, let me show you the zones in this monthly time frame. This is the monthly upper zone, the midway zone, and the lower zone. Now, what is happening in this pair? The price is at the resistance level. You see, when the price touches at the resistance level, is it trying to go down or rather is the price still going up again? So this question will not be answered from this monthly time frame. So this is why we're taking this pair to the weekly time frame for more understanding. Now at the weekly time frame, now what can we see? We can clearly see that the price is at the weekly support level. After breaking above, giving us higher high, the price has come down for higher low. You understand? Now the question still remains: will the price come and create a lower low at the weekly time frame, or rather, will it continue its journey for equal highs before its final destination to create a higher high? So this question cannot be answered effectively from this weekly time frame. So this is why we're taking this price to the daily time frame for more understanding. Now at the daily time frame, we can clearly see the structure of the price motility. What can we see? What can we see at the daily time frame? We can see that the structure is broken. You understand? When you look carefully, the structure is broken. You understand? The 4H that was a downtrend is now trying to become, that was an uptrend is now trying to become a downtrend. When you look carefully, the structure break, this is the neckline. You understand? The price is broken below the neckline, and after broken below, it has retested. At the retestment, it gave us a bearish engulfing candle, telling us the bulls, the bears are indeed in this daily time frame. You understand? The bulls are interested in this price. You understand? So how are we going to buy or sell this pair? Because I am looking either to buy or sell this pair, but I will show you when we get to 4K time frame. Now at the 4K time frame, now look at what is happening. I will clearly explain everything before you. Now at the 4K time frame, what can we see? We can see an uptrend. This uptrend is telling us that the price is no longer interested in creating a lower low that we saw at the daily time frame. So what has happened? It has given us a head and shoulder pattern formation. Look at it. Look, this is the head. These are the two shoulders. You understand? Because the price was a downtrend, but when it get to this lower high, the sellers failed to continue with their motivity. What happened? The price is broken above and it has retested. Now, after the retestment, technically, what will happen is that the bulls will come in to push the price upwardly. So, what are we expecting before we can buy or sell this pair? So, what are we expecting? We are expecting the price to give us a candle confirmation at this level, only bullish engulfing candle or rather significant payback, or rather it can be a morning star. If any of this candle is spotted at this level, we can gently buy this pair. Or rather, if the price breaks below and retest and give us candle confirmation for selling, we can still sell. But presently, the price is an uptrend. This is a head and shoulder pattern formation. This is the head, and these are the two shoulders. So expect what the candle confirmation for buying, you can gently buy. If you fail to buy here, you understand, which is the aggressive mean. You understand? What are we going to do? We will wait for the price to break above this resistance level and retest. You can see how I drew it here. You understand? You can see how it was drawn. You understand? You wait for the price to break a move, retest on top of this 4H resistance level, then you can gently buy. You understand? This is more risks of the aggressiveness. But if you want to buy it aggressively, when the market opens in few hours coming, you can gently buy with candle confirmation, a morning star, bullish engulfing candle, or a significant pin bar you can buy. Or rather, when the market opens and the price was able to break below, you understand? If it break below and come down to this level, wait for the retestment at the neckline, then you can gently join the bears to bear the price. Then want it to go and create lower low. This is the full and final technical analysis on this pair card yen. Do not forget the code, which is the most important thing. Do not risk all you've got in one trade because the most beautiful setup is yet to come. Risk as much as you can afford to lose. 1%, 2%, or maximumly 5% of your account. I wish each and every one of you a happy Easter celebration. God bless you and see you soon.